In this video, you will see how to add page 1 of 2 in Word 365 online. You can add page 1 of 2 in the header or in the footer in Word online, and it's very easy to add page numbers like this. First, you need to go to the Insert tab here on the ribbon, and after clicking on the Insert tab, you will see here the option of page number. Just click on the drop down and you will see here different formats of page number. So if you want to add page number in the header, you can select these three options, or if you want footer page number, you can select amongst these bottom three. As an example, I will select here page number 1 at the center. So after clicking on this option, you will see these boxes. This box means this is a page number 1, and to make it page 1 of 1 or 1 of 2, whatever it is, we need to tick this option, include page counts. Notice that the change will appear in the preview as well. So after clicking on this option, as you can see, now we are seeing page 1 of 1. So after selecting this option, you will see this weird boxes. So these are page numbers. Double click inside the document, and now to see if this page number are indeed inserted, you need to go to the file option here, go to the print, and then click on print. You will see a preview, and here is 1 of 1. So in this way you can add page numbers in Word Online in header and footer as page 1 of total number of pages. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Word Online. See you again in the next one.